Replacement of accessories. Propeller installation. Screw out the screw. Take out the propeller. Pay attention to distinguish when replacing the propeller. The anterior left, posterior right are propeller L. Right front left rear are propeller R. Put in the propeller. Turn the tightening screw. Battery replacement and charging. Press the buckle and pull out the battery. Connect one end of USB charging cable to battery charging socket. The other end is connected to the 5V 3-to-5 adapter USB port. The battery indicator changes to a continuous light after full charge. Push the fully charged battery into the battery card slot. Connect Wi-Fi. Scan QR code to download app. Connect Wi-Fi in phone settings. Open app after successful connection. In this case, you need to read the user terms and privacy agreement first and then check. Click Start Flight to enter the main operation interface. Click the More Functions button. Display Control Interface. Click Pan Tilt Control button. Pan Tilt camera can be adjusted up and down. Pre-flight preparation. Unfold the drone arm. Press and hold the power button for 4 seconds to start the drone. At this time, the red light of the drone flashes. Turn on the remote control switch. The drone automatically moves into the frequency matching state. At this time, the red light of the drone goes out, turns to the front white light and the rear blue light flash. Shows that the frequency matching between the drone and the remote control is successful. At this time, the LCD screen of the remote control displays GPS on and mode 1. The drone default outdoor GPS mode. At this time, mode 1 shows that the satellite search is not completed. Place the left and right rocker in the lower right corner at the same time. Drone lights flash. By sound from remote control. Gyroscope calibration successful. Press the Geomagnetic calibration key. The red, white and blue lights of the drone all flash rapidly. Pick up the drone horizontally. About 1 meter above the ground. 3 turns clockwise. After remote control sounds by. The front red and white lights of the drone change to a continuous light. Level calibration successful. Head up the drone. 3 turns clockwise. After remote control sounds by. Vertical calibration successful. The red light goes out and the white-blue light flashes. Shows that the geomagnetic calibration is successful. The drone is in the state of star searching. When the remote control makes a sound long by, the white and blue lights of the drone change to a continuous light. It means that the search is successful. Mode 2 is displayed on the remote control screen. The drone is in the state of GPS mode. GPS outdoor flight. Place the mobile phone on the remote control mobile phone bracket. The operation is more convenient. Basic operation. Press the start key to unlock the drone. Press 1 key take off. The drone takes off. Press and hold the 1 key landing for 3 seconds. The drone landing. Up. Down. Left. Right. Forward. Back. Left side flight. Right side flight. 3-speed switch. Long press headless mode key. Start headless mode. Press and hold the headless mode key again. Cancel headless mode. Camera steering gear adjustment up and down. Click the 50x zoom key. Zoom times of lens view can be adjusted freely. Click the toggle button. Freely switch the up and down camera of drone, picture in picture, and combined with the mobile phone camera, realize the free combination of multiple windows. Intelligent R. Embedding R 3D model in real-time video stream. Surround flight. Click the surround button. Click the OK icon. The nose of the drone will center on the current position of the drone. Fly around clockwise or counterclockwise. Waypoint flight. Click the waypoint flight icon. The drone will fly according to the selected position on the map. GPS following. Click the GPS follow icon. The drone will follow the mobile phone. GPS return. Press the return key. By sound from remote control. The drone returns to the takeoff point automatically. Photographing and video recording. Short press the photo button to take a picture. Long press the video key to record. Press and hold the key again to cancel the recording. Gesture photography. Facing the camera for about 2 meters. Make the gesture. Automatically take photos after 3 seconds of successful gesture recognition. Hand gesture video. Closed 5 fingers. 1 hand flat lift. Automatic video recording 3 seconds after successful gesture recognition. Recognize the gesture again. End the video. Click the album icon. View and create photos and videos. Optical flow mode operation. Indoor or without GPS. Long press the mode switch key manually. Switch to optical flow mode. Control the drone in optical flow mode. Please note that GPS mode and optical flow mode can only be switched before takeoff. Please use GPS mode for outdoor flight. Otherwise, the drone may be lost. Palm control. In optical flow mode, click the palm control icon. 1 hand flat lift in front of the camera. When the palm is in the red box on APP, the drone will follow the palm up and down. Follow the master. Click follow master button in optical flow mode. The drone will follow the target. MV making. Click on the MV icon. Enter MV interface. MV function can add filter, music, lens effects and one-click sharing. For more functions, please refer to UAV flight control and Wi-Fi instructions.